So today we are talking about 10 side hustles so easy that they feel illegal in 2025. But I assure you guys, they're not illegal. These are real. They work and they feel like you're cheating because you don't need startup cash. You don't need tech skills. You just need some smart, free tools to get started. And if you don't have my ChatGPT and DeepSeek prompts yet, I've got a Google Doc here. It looks like this. There's 5 different versions of them that I'm gonna give you access to. I've just been replying to comments, so leave me a comment if you have any questions, any feedback, you need anything, go ahead and drop that and I'll reply back to it and I'll give you access to that. Now, everything that you see here today works with free AI. We can use DeepSeek, ChatGPT, we're gonna be talking about using CapCut, DeepSight, and I've tested all 10 of these and some of them have made me thousands and thousands of dollars. All right, let's go. I'm really excited for this one. Hustle number 1 is the faceless lead machine. So the way this one works is you use DeepSeek to find a local business niche, generate a pain point script with video, and then you use invideocreator.com to create that video. It's totally faceless, totally AI. You don't have to show yourself on camera. You don't have to use your voice. And then you sell the video for $300 to $1,000 to business owners. It's a really, really solid strategy. And it's one of the same strategies that I teach inside of 2-Step Profit Engine, which is my course. You can get it in the description of this video for just $19 today. That price has been going up though, so jump on that quick if this is a model that you want to test out. Hustle number 2 is our AI website flip. So for this one, we use DeepSeek to find outdated websites, and then we use AI to identify local businesses with an outdated web presence. Now, we've covered this in another tutorial on the channel of actually going in detail, and if you leave a comment, I can reply back to you and answer any questions, and I can also drop off the exact prompts we use for this one. And it's free, I don't charge anything for them. But the way it works is you rebuild them instantly with DeepSight. Now, if you're not familiar with DeepSight, it's really cool. It's an AI website builder that's built using the DeepSeek AI model, and it's free. It'll instantly transform old designs into modern responsive websites without you needing to be a web developer, a programmer, or a graphic designer of any sort. And the cool part is you can take it then and you can sell it for $500 to $1,500, or you can offer monthly edit packages so that you get monthly recurring income flowing in every month and deliver high value websites with ongoing service options. Hustle number 3, this is our niche audit hustler. Now the way this one works is we use ChatGPT to run a 5-point marketing audit on local businesses. So you can prompt Chat to actually look at the business's Google business profile or website or just their entire business in general and come up with like a couple of points that they could be doing better. And then what we do is we take the feedback that we get from ChatGPT and we turn it into a video or an email. And then we offer a fix plus an upsell that we offer to implement the fixes. So basically the email or the video tells them, hey, this is the problems you've got going on, and this is how you fix them. And then the upsell is, you're probably busy running your business, just let me do it for you. And you can use AI to actually fix all of this stuff too, which is great. Hustle number 4 is called the Google Maps Whisperer. Now the way this one works is you use DeepSeek to find businesses with a low map visibility, and you're gonna identify local businesses that aren't optimized for Google Maps. So they probably have descriptions missing, photos missing, maybe not all their services, maybe they don't have a lot of reviews coming in. And what you do is you offer to optimize their Google business profile, and you show them how improved visibility leads to more customers. So you can charge $250 to $750 a month for maintenance plus AI content. We have clients that we charge even a lot more than this, and we have other students that are doing this that are charging upwards of $2,500 a month to help them rank this and provide ongoing optimization and fresh content. It's a really powerful strategy. Hustle number 5, it's the UGC Video Broker. So the way this works is you ask AI to write a product script based on Amazon reviews. And it generates compelling scripts from real feedback from customers. And then what you do is you find UGC creators on Fiverr.com to shoot it. Or you could use something like HeyGen or UGC Valet to create these sort of UGC-like videos, but really it's AI. And whether you do that or you outsource the video creation to affordable talent, the bottom line is you're going to take that video and you're going to sell the final video to brands for $100 to $300 each, and you get paid to deliver high quality UGC content at scale, which is pretty awesome. Hustle number 6 is our review repurposer. So the way this one works, you take a 5-star customer review from Yelp or Google. You're going to use AI to turn that real review into a testimonial video, and then you're going to sell to businesses as weekly social proof content. Now, inside of Two-Step Profit Engine here, that's how a lot of our students are getting paid $625 per video and then $99 a month because they upsell them on a recurring residual where they deliver 4 videos every single month. So this is a really cool strategy that a lot of people have been taking action on, and the link is in the description if you want to pick that up for $19 to have the full plan, step-by-step video tutorial. Hustle number 7 is the Ask Me Anything AI expert. So the way this works is you niche down on one topic like nutrition or branding, and you become the go-to expert in a specific field. And you're going to use ChatGPT to answer questions in short-form video style. And you'll create engaging, informative content quickly. And the way it works is you just basically post daily and then you monetize via affiliate links or informational products. So these can be products you find on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or just Googling your niche for affiliate programs. But the goal is you build an audience and then you generate passive income using affiliate marketing or becoming a course creator and selling your own products. Hustle number 8 is the Cold Email Pro. The way this one works is you use DeepSeek to write hyper-personalized cold emails. So you're going to create emails that get responses with AI assistance, and the way you monetize this is you offer email writing as a service, or you can use this to book your own clients. Some of these ChatGPT and DeepSeek scripts that I give to you, the prompts that I give to you in the Google Docs, when you leave a comment, I'll reply back and give you access to them if you don't have them. They go over this kind of sort of strategy. It's a really flexible business model, and you can upsell full email campaigns or even sales copy to expand services and increase how much revenue you make per each client, which is really nice. Hustle number 9 is our mini digital product shop. So you use ChatGPT to create swipe files, checklists, or mini guides. So these are like little value add-on type things, and they generate you're going to generate valuable digital products with minimal effort, and then you're going to sell those products on Etsy, TikTok Shop, or Gumroad. Etsy is a really great place to do this because a lot of people go on there to buy these sort of like checklists or little templates. And when you're leveraging an established marketplace, you get instant distribution and traffic coming in. But you can also amp this up a notch by promoting it via short form content or AI auto DMs. So you could create little videos that show your template or your checklist and use automated marketing to drive consistent sales every single day. Hustle number 10 is using AI to become a local prompt consultant. So you're probably getting pretty good at AI if you're watching channels like mine. So what you could do is you can do this as a service for other business owners. So you offer to set up custom AI workflows for small businesses, and you'll use DeepSeek to find pain points and then sell prompt libraries plus training videos for $200 to $1,000. So you've all heard of local marketing consultants before. This just kind of takes it up a notch and adds AI into the equation. Everyone knows that AI is not going anywhere, and business owners are going to need help implementing it, and that's where you come in. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, if you want my prompt pack for these 10 hustles, which includes 5 DeepSeek and ChatGPT prompts, it includes some bonus outreach scripts and some templates for fast execution. Just comment below if you need it, if you have any questions, or let me know what hustle you like best or you want me to make a dedicated video on, and then I'll reply back, answer your questions, and I'll give you a link for that for free. And again, if you want the $19 system that I use to land clients, It's inside of the two-step profit engine, and it's in the link in the description of this video. It's my exact workflow, the templates, the tools, and AI-powered client offers that sell in 24 to 48 hours. And the link is in the description of this video. And then coming up next, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss anything, because we're gonna go over how I tested 3 AI tools to see which makes the most money. The results will absolutely shock you, so you're gonna wanna make sure you stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you tune back in next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.